Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss about assignment number 9. Topic is excretion, and in that topic the subtopic is dialysis. So let us see the first question. Define dialysis. So what is dialysis? So it's a process of removing excess water and solutes and toxins from the blood in peoples whose kidneys can no longer perform these functions properly. In such a people's, dialysis is necessary to remove the waste products from the blood. Let us see the next question. What is hemodialysis? So hemodialysis means nothing but dialysis machine is used to filter the blood of a person when both kidneys are damaged. So that process is called as hemodialysis. So in this hemodialysis, the dialysis machine is used to filter the blood. So that is called as hemodialysis. Let us see the third question. What is kidney transplantation? So kidney transplantation, it's a surgical method or procedure to replace a healthy kidney from a donor into a person whose kidneys no longer functions properly. So that is called as kidney transplantation. And no, the first kidney transplantation was performed by the scientist Charles Hufnagel in the year 1954 in between the two identical twins. When comes to in our India, in 1971, the Christian College, Vellore, the first kidney transplantation was performed. Let us see the next question. Is dialysis a temporary treatment for kidney diseases? See, dialysis, it serves as a temporary treatment until the kidneys repair themselves properly and starting its functioning properly. So in such cases, dialysis is essential. But in some chronic cases, the kidneys, they can't repair themselves. In such a cases, the patient needs dialysis regularly. So the dialysis, it's a temporary treatment. When the kidneys works themselves properly, then in such chronic cases, if the kidneys are not working functionally or not proper functioning, so dialysis is regularly needed by the patient. Let us see the next question. What are the advantages of dialysis? So see, all these are the advantages of dialysis. So it can be carried out even at home also, and then compared to hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis is very comfortable method of dialysis. So why? Because that is easy to use, and also the equipment whatever using the peritoneal dialysis, it's less bulky and also it's easy to carry along with the patient. Then unlike the peritoneal dialysis, the hemodialysis is not to be carried out every day. So these are the advantages of dialysis. Let us see the next question. What is the principle of dialysis? So what mean the principle is using the dialysis process means, so the procedure of dialysis is based on diffusion of solutes and ultrafiltration of fluids across a semi-permeable membrane. So in the dialyzer machine, so the dialyzer fluid is act as a semi-permeable membrane. So by the diffusion process, the dialysis is working on. Thank you.